Um, Good day, everyone. Um, it's Key to Key Academy. Um, so the flu seems to be gone now, so I no longer have the flu, so my voice is back. Um, so I'm just gonna take you throughout what we were expecting for this week and how things did play out, how things didn't play out. So yeah, and also I've posted a short video on YouTube of the $50 account that I funded. Remember what I said is that the step one of this challenge is to flip the $50 account into $600 account. So by the grace of God, that will happen sooner or later, and then we will take it to step number two. So for this week, today it's I think it's Friday. So for this week, right, we're looking forward to retracements on US 30. So we saw price form something like a double top right there, right? What I normally call a fail to break double top right there. Then price pushed to the downside, taking this liquidity low, and then it retraced into this level. If you can check the previous video, I was looking for price to trade back into um, this volume imbalance fair value gap for us to look for sells to the downside. That's where price is at right now, right? So this is what I expect to see on price. Um, and also another thing that serves as a key level is this order block right here. This order block right here that price is entered into. This candlesticks, this bullish candlestick that this price is broke below, came to retest and also came to retest this fair value gap volume imbalance, right? And also, if we can use Fibonacci, we can see that the retracement was a deeper retracement, which is something that we want to see. We see prices there by 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, which is good. So there's one order block, two key level, which is the fair value gap volume imbalance. Three, we have a retracement to fib level 78%, which is premium or deeper premium price. So there's no doubt that um, the probabilities of price dropping are not high for this price, right? Um, let's just remove this because I don't want to be disturbed. And then when we come here, we can see it, okay, price has indeed reached that point. It ticked into that fair value gap, went down to rebalance this volume imbalance. As you can see, it came down to rebalance it, and then it reacted from that rebalance of the volume imbalance, price inefficiency, and then price pushed up. Then what I'm expecting to see, right, as a sign of price pushing down, I don't expect price to push above this high, right? What I would like to see is price to push below, break below this low, something like a retest, and then we go down. It can be this retest into the 38% of Fibonacci, or a deeper retest into the 78% of Fibonacci. Whatever that's going to happen, but this break will confirm a break of structure because we are still bullish in a way, right? According to this movement, um, we are still a bit bullish. According to this movement, there's no break of structure that has happened. So we can see we have a high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. Price took this liquidity low, um, which is It's like a breakout structure, but it's not confirmed unless we see what happens here. If we see price reacting from this point, signifying that it wants to go down, then we can consider this as a breakout structure. But I don't really like how it looks. You know, a breakout structure should look similar to this. You see, this is clear. You can see a break of the structure, a nice retrace. The price here is much more clear than here. I don't know if it makes sense, right? Then if we go to smaller time frames, we can see equity. We have it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, I see a buy and a sell in a way because this price is still a bit bullish according to what I see, right? I'm sorry, according to what I see, because we have this fair value gap, right, which price can respect from and push to the upside. We have this daily fair value gap volume imbalance that price can push to the downside. So there's two things that are making me not to enter this trade, even though we also have a volume imbalance, not a volume imbalance, a fair value gap there. We also have a break of structure there, which is fine. But I don't like this fair value gap, and I don't like how this candlestick is respecting this fair value gap. You know, as much as this can sell, I just don't like how this is is looking like. You know, so um, I'm not gonna be participating into this trade because I have a lot of uncertainty. You know, I don't like having uncertainty when it comes to price. Price has to be clear, you know, as much as you can see the direction, but price needs to be clear um, in terms of where it's going. Right, don't get me wrong, this might sell, like this might sell to the downside. Take this liquidity, take this liquidity, take this liquidity until it takes this one. It might sell, but it's not um I don't want to risk my money on this. You know, it's not worth the risk for, according to me. It's not a high probability trade, according to my eyes. You know, what I will consider is if price pushes down, breaking this structure, then retesting, then we can look for sales to the downside. So anything can happen, but that's what I would want to see for me to consider looking for sales on US 30, right? So yeah, that's my take on US 30. I see bearishness in price, but it doesn't look that clean, you know. Then we go to Bitcoin is, yeah, it's just pushing to the upside. There's no retest whatsoever. It's pushing. You can see this monthly candlestick is just bullish. There's no retest whatsoever. So we're just gonna leave it like that. This is Dogecoin. Dogecoin also has a nice potential buy. Like, I don't wanna lie to you. As if I was an investor, I'd really put my money on this. This is a good buy. So I'll be looking for possible buys on Dogecoin. Um, if this plays out so well, because this is simple. It looks so simple. It's just a high. We have a high low. We have a high. We have a possible high low. Prices to come, and this is so clean. You can see even the momentum of price. This bullish candlesticks are just boost. They're like, it's just two candlesticks to take this high. One, two, three candlestick to take this high. You see the retracement. The retracement does look like a retracement because you can see there's a fight um, of the bulls trying to push price, but the bears are saying let's retest. So this is a nice investment um, to push the upside. I don't lie. I know I was not looking out for this during the week, but this is a proper nice investment trade. What would interest me in looking for buys in this trade is a push breaking this high, then a retest, then we can go to the upside. So that'll be my interest because this is a minor breakout structure. That's a major breakout structure. A major breakout this structure, a retest, then along this area, that's when I can look for nice, nice buys to the upside, you know. But yeah, it looks bullish, honestly speaking. I don't see the reason for someone to really look for buys here. You know, it's unrealistic. You see the bullishness that happened here. You see how price pushed up, breaking this level. Let me do this. How price pushed, broke that level, came back um to that other block. You can see break, retest into this other block, then price push. Whatever that happens here, right? Whatever that happened here for price to push, look at how much money you would have made if you caught this. Is what I want to see here. So whatever that happened here, the break of structure that happened here is the same break of structure I want to see happening here. I don't know if it makes sense. Yes, it might happen in a different way, but I would like it to next to see a proper break and a retest, then go to the upside. Right, enough about that one. For this week, we're also looking for buys on USD We have seen that price has retested back to this key level, which is this Favili gap. It's very much obvious. Price is bullish, high, high, low, high, high, low. We're looking for price to push to the upside. So within this area, we're looking for buys. Um, it's just I don't know, man. It just doesn't look pleasing. It doesn't look beautiful. You know, even though price did push and break there, this break, a retest, and price pushed. Yeah, it's just fine, but it doesn't look that beautiful. So we'll still be looking at how we can capitalize out of it. Maybe from a third run, something like this. That's when we can consider looking for buys to the upside, right? Other than that, I'm not really interested. What else were we looking for? USD CAD. We're also looking for buys, but yeah, like I said, we have to wait for next month for us to buy within the week or of this monthly candlestick to the upside for next month. So yeah, that we have to wait. Um, this one also, let me see. It's in a specific key level. I like how price is kind of forming like a double top but bottom here, which is nice. Just gonna yeah, there's a lot of accumulation here, which is beautiful. So what I would like to see is that price should sorry, I would like to see price breaking above this consolidation, something like this. A break above this consolidation, a retest, then we can push to the upside. That would be perfect for us to look for trades because this is just a consolidation. I really don't like that nonsense that is happening there. You know, so yeah, and then this is GBP CAD also. Um, like I said last, I think for the few past videos, I said price might respect that level and push to the upside, but I'm really no longer interested in this, honestly speaking. As much as price did come to respect this key level and pushed, I am really not interested in it. So yeah, that's that's it for this video. Um, we'll be seeing what happens next week. The opportunities that we're probably gonna get and whatnot. Because for this one, I really would trade this if it was a Wednesday or it was a Tuesday or a Thursday, but this is a Friday, so yeah, I wouldn't really put the risk there. We'll see everything next week. Um, next week on what the market has for us. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Um, see you on the next video. Thank you.